Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you my morning and nighttime skincare routine of products that I am currently using at the moment. I am in the hunt for new products to add to my morning and nighttime skincare. So once I get my hands on those, I will do an updated video. But as of now, this is what I'm currently using. If you would like to know what I use for my skin, just keep watching and let's get to it. So lately I've been using this Sephora gel cleanser. I have really enjoyed using this and it has really helped my skin as far as breakouts. My skin is combination type. My T-zone area usually tends to get oily and the rest of my face is pretty much normal to dry skin. I would tend to get breakouts here and there, but I've noticed that ever since trying with this cleanser, I haven't had much problem with that anymore. So it has really maintained my skin breakout free. What I do first to apply my cleanser is I just wet my face. And now I like to go in and brush my teeth. To brush my teeth, I like using this Sensodyne teeth whitening toothpaste. I really like the Sensodyne brand just because I feel like in comparison to other brands, this one's a little bit more sensitive. My teeth do tend to be on the sensitive side, and with this Sensodyne toothpaste, I feel like it's not as harsh. Taste doesn't give me that burning sensation that other toothpaste that I've tried in the past have given me. So I really enjoyed using this toothpaste for those reasons. For a toothbrush, I'm just using my regular toothbrush that I get from my dentist office, and I usually tend to change toothbrushes every 6 months. So pretty much every 6 months that I go to the dentist for my regular teeth cleaning, I will just change into the new toothbrush that the dentist gives me. And I believe this one is from the brand Oral-B. The next product that I use is my Drunk Elephant Moisturizer. To be honest, this product really hasn't made a big difference that I can see in my skin. I haven't seen any type of improvement or just anything that has changed by using this product. It's just something that I have for right now, and I'm pretty much just using it up, to be honest. The next product that I like using after my moisturizer is applying this EVIAN facial spray. I like the cooling sensation that it gives my face. It's just really cool and awakening, and it also really hydrates my skin. The next product that I like to apply after the facial spray, my menthol lip shines from Bath and Body Works. My lips tend to get very dry in the winter and just really chapped. The menthol lip shines have just really helped with my chapped lips, so I really like using those. And that's all that I do, guys, for my morning time skincare routine. Now we're gonna go into my nighttime skincare routine. To start off first by removing my false lashes. So how I like to start off is just doing pretty much the same routine that I did in the morning. So I'll go in again with my Sephora gel cleanser. So I will apply some of the cleanser onto my hands. I'll rub it together just so that it could foam. And I'll just go in directly and remove my makeup with it. What I like to use next is my TATCHA, the Deep Cleanser. This is more of a scrub type of cleanser, so it does have that sandy feel to it. This has really helped my skin just be more smooth, and I feel like it's really helped with my skin texture, and I have really been loving it. Now what I go into next is using my Drunk Elephant cleanser. This is actually a new product that I've incorporated. I have not used it enough to know if it's really working or not for my skin. I'm going to keep trying it out, and I will in the future do an updated morning and nighttime skincare routine, and I will update you guys on that. So now, guys, I just go in and brush my teeth again, and I'm just using the same toothpaste from earlier, the Sensodyne Teeth Whitening Repair and Protect, and my same toothbrush that I have from my dentist, the Oral-B brand. now, as one of my final steps, I just applied some of my favorite menthol lotions from Bath and Body Works to hydrate my lips throughout my sleep at night. Next, I just go again with my EVIAN facial spray just to really hydrate and lock in the moisture. Hey guys, so this was it. This is my morning and nighttime skincare routine. I am currently in the hunt of new products to add and incorporate to my morning and nighttime routine. As soon as I get my hands on those, I will do an updated video with the new products. But as of now, this is what I'm currently using. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you so much for all of you guys that have already subscribed. I am blown away and I'm just extremely grateful. Thank you so much. And that's it. I hope to see you guys very soon. And remember to stay scrumptious.